Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to access MS Excel freely by using MS Office. So you'll be having here Google search, type office.com. Then you will be redirected to the Microsoft web page and you will be having here sign in. So you can sign in with this the mail ID. So you can get access and you will get some code. So you have to access from mail. So this is the mail. This is the code. So with this we can access it and type sign in. Then you'll be stay signed and then you can access to the Microsoft 365. Here you will be having all these things. You will be having Outlook, OneDrive, Clipcamp, Designer, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Forms, Calendar, To-Do, Teams, Skype, more apps. So these are the more apps you can use freely. So we want Excel, so we'll type Excel here. So here you can open a workbook, blank workbook, and the MX Excel workbook new worksheet will be open. So this is the open page. So you can find these numbers from left side and you can see here sheet 1 and so these are the basic things. So you know here and this is the way you can access MS Excel through MS Office. So you can access the MS Excel through MS Office by signing in. So you'll be having for example type equal to 1 plus 1. So you will be getting 2. See, we will getting the or equal to 2 into 3 plus 4. So what is the output? 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So see, 10 is the answer. So this is how we can access the worksheet in MS Office. And we can do some addition and multiplication operations. So that's it, friends. So in the next video, I will tell you what are the features which are present, like home, insert, web page, formulas. So one by one, we will get into the each options and we will try what will happen, like what are the features will be there in this each module, and we will see how it will work, like how it will be helpful in our daily life problems. So that's it, friends. So if you like this video, please like the video and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I post the videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.